Napoleon Bonaparte, the rise and fall of a military genius. Napoleon Bonaparte, the French military leader and statesman, is a name that evokes images of power, ambition, and controversy. His life and legacy have captivated historians and the general public alike for centuries, and his story continues to inspire and fascinate us to this day. Early life and military career. Born in 1769, Napoleon rose to prominence during the French Revolution, becoming a general at the age of 24. His military genius and strategic thinking led to a series of victories, including the Battle of Austerlitz, which cemented his reputation as one of the greatest military minds in history.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.
The Napoleonic Empire. Napoleon's ambition and desire for power led him to seize control of France in 1799, marking the beginning of the Napoleonic Empire. He implemented a series of reforms, including the Napoleonic Code, which remains the basis of French law to this day. His military conquests expanded the empire, but his aggressive expansionism ultimately led to his downfall. The Battle of Waterloo and exile. The Battle of Waterloo in 1815 marked the end of Napoleon's reign. Defeated by a coalition of British and Prussian forces, he was exiled to the island of Saint Helena, where he died in 1821. Legacy. Napoleon's legacy is complex and multifaceted. His military genius and strategic thinking have inspired generations of military leaders, while his political reforms have had a lasting impact on European history. However, his aggressive expansionism and authoritarian rule have also been criticized, leading to a nuanced and controversial assessment of his legacy. Conclusion. Napoleon Bonaparte's life and legacy are a testament to the enduring power of human ambition and determination. His story continues to captivate us, offering a glimpse into the intrigue and drama of European history. As we reflect on his remarkable life and achievements, we are reminded of the importance of strong leadership, strategic thinking, and the pursuit of power and influence. Historical and cultural aspects. Napoleon was a prolific writer and correspondent, leaving behind a vast collection of letters and memoirs that offer insight into his thoughts and motivations. He was a patron of the arts, commissioning numerous works of art and architecture that continue to inspire and influence artists today. Napoleon's military tactics and strategies have been studied and emulated by military leaders around the world, including the Prussian General Karl von Clausewitz. His political reforms, including the Napoleonic Code, have had a lasting impact on European law and governance. Napoleon's legacy has inspired countless works of literature, art, and film, cementing his place in popular culture. Thank you for joining me in exploring the extraordinary life of a man who truly shaped the world.